Very happy morning, students. Today, in this Google Classroom class, first we are going to discuss about lesson number 7, International Economics. International economics studies the entire range of international economic transactions consist of not only goods and services but also capital flows, transfer of technology, balance of payment, tariff, free trade, fiscal and monetary policies. Meaning, international economics is a branch of economics which is concerned mainly with exchange of goods and services between two or more countries and in relation to foreign trade. In this international economics, we are having so many theories of international trade. First one, Adam Smith theory of absolute cost advantage, David Ricardo theory of comparative cost advantage. First, we are going to discuss about Adam Smith theory of absolute cost advantage. Trade between two countries would be mutually beneficial. One country they can produce a commodity at an absolute cost advantage over the other country. Clear? We are having two countries and the two countries they are producing two commodity. Which country they are producing any one commodity more, that country they can spend only very less for producing that particular commodity. That is the exact meaning. See the tabular column as well as diagram, then it will be very easy for you. Clear? First one, country, we are having India as well as China, and we are having two commodity, wheat as well as cloth. See that table here. India they can produce more of wheat, less of cloth, and China they can produce more of cloth and they can produce less of wheat. So they can exchange these two commodities. That is the thing, Adam Smith theory of absolute cost advantage. The same thing it is also explained in a diagram. X-axis horizontal axis explain cloth, Y-axis or vertical axis explain wheat. From this table and diagram, we came to know that two countries, India and China, two things we are having, wheat as well as cloth. India they can produce more of wheat, less amount of cloth. China they can produce more of cloth and less amount of wheat, and they can exchange with each other. So hence their cost is also less while producing more, and they can exchange with each other. This is the main important concept of Adam Smith theory of absolute cost advantage.